Alright, I'm going to show you the manufacturing of these water fuel cell bases here. I'm going to take our two plastic pieces we need here, and we're going to end up with a completed setup here, as you can see, which we will be inserting our tubes into, like so. Let's get started. This is our 4mm dental strip. You'll find this stuff on Amazon, eBay. This is single-sided with gaps. But here's what we're going to do.
This is Stand Revenge.